Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 Hyperlocal Marketplace mobile application. In the previous video, we showed you the workflow of the Magento 2 Hyperlocal Marketplace mobile app for the Android devices, and we showed you how this particular Hyperlocal Marketplace mobile app works for the Android devices there. For more information on the same, you can check the user guide that I have attached within the description of this particular video for more information on the same. In today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out the Magento 2 Hyperlocal Marketplace mobile app's initial configuration settings and the homepage configurator settings as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial there, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now what we need to do is we need to log into the admin backend panel, and after we have logged into the admin backend panel, we'll find one option, that's the Mobicool. Under Mobicool we have manage banners, manage notifications, manage featured categories, manage categories, banners and icons, Mobicool order history, carousel images, carousels, manage walkthrough, Mobicool configuration, and the homepage configurator for the homepage of the mobile app itself. So we'll be going through each of these options one by one, but very first thing that we'll be doing is we'll be going to the Mobicool configuration by tapping here on the Mobicool configuration option that we have. Now this will redirect us to the admin backend panel, and on the configuration page under the Webkul block we'll be navigating to the Mobicool section. Now here we are having few sections that need to be configured for the mobile app itself, so we'll be going through each of them one by one. So the very first option that we have is the Mobicool basic configuration. Here we need to enter the username and the password, and the admin needs to provide the username for the Mobicool, which will be used for connecting to the respective server, and the admin will provide the password for the Mobicool along with the username as we have entered here. Then we have to set up the collection page size. So here the admin needs to set the number of products that will be displayed on the collection page of the Hyperlocal Marketplace mobile application at a time. Then we have the allowed Cms pages. So here we'll be able to set up the allowed Cms pages for the mobile application itself. When we are swiping from left to right on the Hyperlocal mobile application there, we'll be able to see the allowed Cms pages there itself. Then we have the FCM push notification parameters. So here you need to enter the API key, the Android topic, the iOS topic, and you have to enter the API key for the FCM push notifications, and this would allow the admin to send the push notifications onto the Hyperlocal Marketplace mobile app itself. Then we have the Mobicool catalog search configuration. Now under the Mobicool catalog search configuration, the admin can configure the Mobicool's mobile application search. The admin can configure the application search on the basis of products and tags. So the very first option that we have here is the display tags in search. This will display the tags in the Hyperlocal Marketplace mobile app search result. Then we have the number of tags to display in the search. The admin will set the limit on the number of tags that will be present in the search result. Then we have the display product in search, and this will display the products in the Hyperlocal Marketplace mobile apps search result. Then we have the number of the products to display in the search. So here the admin will have to set the limit on the number of products that will be present in the search result. After this we have the application download from the website. So here the admin can now display the app URL on the website by setting up the configuration of this section. So here the admin can enable the Android application download by selecting this option as a yes. Then you have to enter the Play Store application link. If you want to enable the iOS application download from the website, choose that as yes. Enter the App Store's application link. Now you can enable the top link. This will make the link visible on the header part of the website there. Otherwise, if you want to have it on the bottom end, you can have it as bottom end. Then you can choose the download link theme. The admin here can select between the light or the dark theme for better visibility of the application link as per the choice there. Then we have the Mobicool API cache setting. So here you can choose whether to enable the API cache settings or not. You can choose it as yes. Set the refresh cache rate. and you can also clear the cache by tapping here on the clear cache option. Then we have the theme configuration. Here you can choose the theme type as theme 1 or theme 2. We have provided 2 themes, so any one of the themes can be selected. Then we have the app category view. You can choose it as the default category view or the tab category view. So today I'll just be taking you through the different options that we get. Then we have the launcher icon configuration. So the launcher icon configuration can be of 5 types, so you can choose any one of them. Then we have the light mode theme configuration. So the light mode theme configuration can be set up. So here you can set up the app button color, app theme text color, app button text color. You can upload the app logo, upload the splash image as well. The same goes with the dark mode theme configuration. So here you can set up the app button color, the theme color, app theme text color, app button text color, upload your app logo, and the upload splash image can be done from this particular section. Then you can also choose the walkthrough settings, and it should be greater than the current version. So you have to enter the walkthrough version as well. So the walkthrough version is visible to the customers when they are opening the app for the first time. So these are the initial configuration settings for the Magento 2 Marketplace Hyperlocal mobile application itself. After making these configurations, you just need to tap here on the Save Configuration button. Now coming to the Mobicool section once again, here we have the very first option as the Manage Banners. So if I go to the Manage Banners, here I'll find the complete list of banners that I've already added. The banners can be of 2 types. One is the product banner and the category banner. If it's of the product type, then whenever the customer taps on the particular product banner, the customer would be redirected to the particular product page. Otherwise, if it's of the category type, then the customer, after tapping on the particular banner, would be redirected to the particular category there. For the banners, you can disable, enable, or delete any of the banners that you've already created. You can filter out the banners as well. And to add a banner, you can tap here on the Add Banner button, and that will bring up the new banner section, wherein you will be able to upload the image of the banner, set the sort order, choose the banner type as whether it's of the product type or of the category type. Depending upon the chosen banner type, then you have to enter the respective product or the category ID here, choose the store view, set the status as enabled or disabled there, and tap on the Save Banner, and that would save your banner. For example, if I want, I can also edit any of the banners that I've already created by tapping on the Edit link under the Actions column, and this would bring up the edit item. As you can see with the banner image, the banner type is product, the product category or the product ID we have set up here. We have enabled the status of the banner here, and then we can tap here on the Save Banner to save the changes there. So that was about the Manage Banner. Now coming to the other part, that's the Manage Notifications. So here you'll be able to create the push notifications there as per your own requirement there. And you can set the notification type depending upon the options that we have provided. To add a new notification, you can tap here on the Add Notification button, and that would bring up the new notification page, as you can see, wherein you have to set up the notification information, like the notification image has to be uploaded, the notification title has to be set up, the content for the notification has to be entered. The notification type can be of the product type, category type, others, or the custom collection. If you choose it as product, then you have to enter the product ID, category, then category ID needs to be entered, others, then others would be applicable. Otherwise, if you choose it as custom collection, then you have to set up the custom collection notification from here, and you have to create the product collection based on whether product attribute assigned, product IDs, or the newly added products with count as per your own requirement. Whatever you choose here, according to that you can create the rule for your collection that you want to create. And after that, you just need to tap here on the Save Notification button to save the particular notification. So if I go back and I edit a already created notification like this one, that's of a custom collection, you'll be able to see that we have uploaded the image, set the notification title, content, the notification type is custom collection, it's enabled. If I go to the custom collection, here you can see that the product collection is based on the product IDs there that we have selected there, right? Let's go back. Now if I go to the Mobicool once again, then we have the manage featured categories. So from here we'll be able to manage the featured categories that are shown on the homepage of the Hyperlocal marketplace mobile application there. So these are the featured categories that we have added. To add more featured categories, you need to tap here on the add featured category button, and that would bring up the section to add new featured category. So here you can upload the featured category information like the image of the featured category, set the sort order, choose the store view, enable it up, and then under the categories you can choose the particular category that you want to make as the featured one. Then tap here on the save featured category, and that featured category would then be saved and would be listed under the manage featured categories here under this particular section itself. Then we have the manage categories, banners and icons. Under this particular section for the different categories, you'll be able to add the images for the categories, banners and the icons there. You can also delete any ones that you've already added. To add images, you have to tap here on the add images button. And here for the category image information, you can set up the category information, image information like the image icon and the store view can be chosen. Then for the categories, you can go to the category here, select the particular category. Then for the banner, you can choose the banner image. You can add multiple ones as well as per your own requirement there, and then tap on the save category image to save the category image and the banner type that you have added. Now coming back to this particular section, then we have the Mobicool order history. So all of the orders that have been placed using the Magento 2 marketplace Hyperlocal mobile application would be listed here, and from here you can view the particular orders by tapping on the view link, and you can manage the orders as per your own requirement there. Then we have the Mobicool Carousel images. So here you'll be able to add the carousel images that would be used for the Mobicool carousels. And to add the images, you can tap here on the add images button, and that will bring up the new carousel image section. And here you have to add the image, set the title. The carousel image type can be of the product or category type. If it's of the product, then enter the product ID. Otherwise, if it's of the category type, then enter the category ID there. Set up the carousel image status as enabled or disabled, and then tap on the save image to save the particular carousel image. So that's how you can add the carousel images of the type as product or the category. Then coming to the Mobicool carousels, here you'll be able to add and manage the carousels. You can find the complete list of carousels that we have already added, and here you can see that we have the image type carousel and the product type carousels. To add a carousel, you just need to tap here in the add carousel button, and that would bring up the particular section to add and manage the carousel there. On the new carousel page, what we need to do is we need to enter the carousel information that includes the title, choose the carousel type as image or product type, whatever type you want to add, upload the background image, background color code can be selected, select the sort order, the store view, carousel image status is enabled. Then go to the assign carousel images, and here you will find the carousel images that we had added under the Mobicool carousel images. And from here, if it's of the image type, then select the particular image and tap on the save carousel. Otherwise, if it's of the product type, then you have to go to the assign carousel products and assign the products for this carousel, and then tap on the save carousel button to save the particular carousel. So under the carousel information, you need to choose whether it's of the image type or the product type, and depending upon that, you can choose the carousel image or the carousel products. The carousel images are coming from the Mobicool carousel images that we had added. So that was about the Mobicool carousels. Then coming to the manage walkthrough. If I go to the manage walkthrough section, here we'll be able to see the manage walkthrough, and we can add multiple walkthroughs as well for our mobile application. So here you can see that we have added the welcome, marvelous layout, payment gateway integration, offline mode, Magento 2 mobile app with AI machine learning. So these are the walkthroughs that we have added. You can edit any one by tapping on the same, and you can upload the image and the content, set the color code, sort order, and the walkthrough status as enabled or disabled. And when the customer installs this particular application for the first time, he'll be able to see the particular walkthrough, and depending upon the number of walkthroughs that you have added here, those walkthroughs would be available on the mobile application before the application starts up to show the home page there. From the drop down you can disable, enable or delete any of the walkthroughs that you have edited. To add a new walkthrough you can tap here on the add walkthrough button at the top, and that will bring up the section to add a new walkthrough. Here for the walkthrough you can upload an image, set the content, choose the color code, sort order, and enable the particular walkthrough here by choosing it as enabled, and then tap on the save walkthrough button. Then we have gone through the Mobicool configuration already. Now coming to the home page configurator. Now the home page configurator would allow you to configure your home page of your mobile application itself, for the of the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace hyperlocal app itself. So you can configure the home page of your mobile application. Here we have three sections. The first one is the section that displays the fixed ones that we have basically added here. Then we have this section that shows the ones that you have added to the home page here. Then you can delete, or you can drag and drop them, and accordingly the component sort order would be set up. So here you can see that we have set the new products at the top. So the new products are at the top. If I want, I can choose the banner images to be at the top there, and the banner images would be at the top. Then the new products, featured categories, featured products, and then lastly the hot deals. If I want to add, for example, this test one, I can add the test one, and this test one would be added to the end there. This is a particular carousel that we have added. Similarly, if I want to add featured categories, I can add featured categories, and the featured categories would be added in the last. I want to add the featured category to the top of the home page, I can drag and drop it up, and if I check it out here, how it appears on the homepage of the mobile application, you can see that the featured category has been set to the top there. So this was the homepage configurator there. So yes, that was much about the Magento 2 Hyperlocal Marketplace mobile application backend configuration, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.ubidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.